Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel once again. Today in this video I will tell you some art exercises which are very important for any of the artists. So you have to take paper like that and take one pencil that should be of 2B. This is Camlin, this is HP Stedler, and this is art line 2B pencil. So I'll use this 2B pencil. This 2B pencil is very soft for practicing your exercise. First of all, you have to hold your pencil like this from the back, and you have to draw lines horizontally. You have to draw straight lines horizontally, continuously. Then the second exercise is you have to draw lines vertically, like this. Now the third exercise is you have to draw lines diagonally. So you have to practice this again and again, so it will make your hand easy to move for the artworks and drawings. Now the another exercise is you have to hold your pencil like this and draw a circle. Make a circle like this. And you have to draw the circle anti-clockwise, and you have to draw it anti-clockwise also, like this. First you will not able to make correct circle, but later you will be able to create correct circle. Then you have to make this 8 clockwise. And same you have to make horizontally like this. This is clockwise. You have to make it anti-clockwise also, like this. Practice these exercises, these drawing exercises daily to make your hands smooth in drawing. Practice again and again. So these are the exercises you have to do daily, and it will make your wrist flexible for drawing work. So you can practice on the same paper again and again. Create circles clockwise, anti-clockwise. Hope you have liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Your support is very important, and I will make such very helpful art videos for you. If you have queries and questions, let me know in my comment section. You can message me, and give a like if you like the video. And if you practice daily these drawing exercises, you will see in few days your hand is very flexible while drawing, and you will be able to draw very nicely.